In this video, I will show you how to fix Discord emoji not loading. The first thing you want to do is completely close the Discord app. After that, reopen the application and check. A simple refresh can fix this issue. Next, make sure that you're connected to a stable internet. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check. After that, open the Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search bar and here search for Discord. Now if you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. After it has been updated, open the app and check if that fixes your problem. If not, you want to clear the cache of the application. For that, long press on Discord, tap on this app info icon. Here, scroll down and find the option of storage. Now tap on clear cache. After that, head back. Now tap on force stop. Tap on OK to confirm. Now open Discord and check. If the issue is still there, then you can simply reinstall the app. For that, uninstall the application. After that, open Play Store or App Store. Then reinstall the application from here. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.